Hi, I'm Jordan Hansen. I'm from Cobalt Intelligence. We're talking about Secretary of State data today, especially Minnesota. We're going to go to Minnesota and we're going to show you how to search for business stuff at the Secretary of State. We're going to have a URL in the link here in the description. We're going to talk about different fields that are available, and we're also going to talk about things if you want to get the data via API. So if you're trying to get your data in an automated fashion, we can get that data that way via API. We're going to show you how to do it with our portal and then how to integrate it with Postman and then also an SDK. So here we go. Minnesota. These are the fields available for Minnesota. Nothing big surprising here. It has the standard, the basics like stat, all that information, but it doesn't have officer or organization documents, so it's kind of anyway. Let's go over here to the Secretary of State page for Minnesota. This is it. Like I said, we'll have it in our link in the description. The cool thing is you can filter by active or inactive, but we'll just go contains and we'll say active right for now, and we'll say pasta. What else do I like? It seems like I only like pizza and pasta, but there's got to be some other foods I like. I don't know what they are, but I'm sure there's some. Whatever. That's lasagna. No way there's going to be something for lasagna, right? It's active? Maybe? Nothing. Okay, that's a bummer. Okay, so now what about just teacher? I don't know why I picked teacher. Don't ask me. I just pick random stuff here. Here we go. Tamils Teachers Association. Yep. That looks great. Details. Okay, so here we go. We got the nonprofit corporation. It's a domestic one. Home jurisdiction. There we go. That's the state of formation. We have a president. So we have officer. Wait. President. We have a president. Okay, we'll have to look at that to see if we can get that in the future ones. I'm going to make a note here. Hold on. I'm making a note. Officer. Minnesota? Question mark? President? Some of them have it. Possibly we get that. Okay, so let's go over here. I'm gonna go Minnesota. And this is our portal, by the way. This is the Cobalt Intelligence portal. This kind of is a place for you to test the data. You can sign in, create an account, you get some free requests, and you get a little bit of time to use it and test it out. This is about what we'd expect, the basic stuff. I don't know why we don't have the officer information. We have a president there, so maybe we can get that later in the future. Now, let's go to Postman. Here we go. Paste that in there. Minnesota MN. Yep, MN. Send it. So this is what your request is going to look like. In your headers, you're going to have an X-API-key, and the value, you're going to have the API key. And then you come over here, and you got the stuff down here. Kind of shows the data. That's it for Postman. Now let's go to the SDK. Anyone? Let's do it. Here we go. MN, and let's send it. So down here, this is the SDK. If you're a JavaScript user, Node.js, you come over here, you can initialize the SOS API right here, and then you add process environment, Cobalt Intelligence, or the API key. I imported via environment variables, but you put the API key here. Here it'll be a string. Then you call the method get business details. You pass in business name, state, and then any of the parameters you want, such as screenshot, which I did right there. And you can see the screenshot right here. So let's click on it and look, see what it looks like. Just download it right there. Look over here, and there it is. We got a timestamp, we got a URL, and then we have all that stuff that shows, hey, you actually did go to this state and confirm that this business is real. So ergo, you are awesome. You should get promotions as the senior underwriter, the best product guy, whatever you are that's here watching this video. You deserve a promotion, and maybe you should like and subscribe to this video because we like you. That's all from Minnesota today. We'll see you.